Good morning, grade 12 students. Today we're going to start with lesson number 3 about human chromosomes. Part 1. Please make sure to open your books on page 392. The objectives of this part of this section is to identify a karyotype, determine the patterns of inheritance humans follow. Human cells look much like animal cells, but what makes us uniquely human? To understand, we have to explore the human genome. A human genome is the full set of genetic information that an organism carries in its DNA. To study genomes, we need to study chromosomes. Chromosomes are bundles of DNA and protein found in the nucleus of human cells. We have said that in order to study human genomes, we have to study chromosomes. And to see human chromosomes clearly, cell biologists photograph cells in mitosis when chromosomes are fully condensed. Scientists then cut out the chromosomes from the photograph and arrange them in a picture known as karyotype. A karyotype shows the complete diploid set of chromosomes grouped together in pairs and arranged in order of decreasing size. The following figure is a human karyotype. Notice how they are listed as pairs from the bigger size to the smaller size. Please look at this figure. This is a karyotype from a typical human cell, which contains 46 chromosomes arranged in 23 pairs. Let's move on to discuss sex chromosomes. 2 of the 46 chromosomes are known as sex chromosomes because they determine an individual's sex. Females have 2 copies of the X chromosome, as you see in the following figure, and males have 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosome. All human egg cells in females carry a single X chromosome, 23X. That means there are 23 chromosomes, among them is the sex chromosome X. However, half of all sperm cells carry 23X and the other half carry 23Y. This ensures that half of the zygotes will be males and the other half will be females. So let's say, for example, when a sperm cell containing an X chromosome enter an egg cell containing another X chromosome, the result or the zygote will be a girl. However, if a sperm cell containing a Y chromosome enters an egg cell which already has an X chromosome, the result will be a boy. This is the human karyotype of 23 pairs of chromosomes. As you can see, the male karyotype contains an XY chromosome circled in red, and the female karyotype contains 2 X chromosomes also circled in red. More than 1,200 genes are found on the X chromosome of the female. No more than 200 genes are found on the Y chromosomes of male, most of which are associated with male sex determination and sperm development. As you can see, the Y chromosome is much smaller than the X chromosome. That is why the amount of gene located on the Y has to be fewer than the X. We have said earlier that the X and the Y represent the sex chromosomes. The remaining 44 human chromosomes are known as the autosomal chromosomes or autosomes. The human genome consists of 46 chromosomes, including 44 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. To summarize, biologists write 46 XX for females or 46 XY for males. End of section 14.1, part 1. Thank you for your attention.